Hey, what's up, my little adventure buddies? Today we are at a really cool place called Screaming Heads. It's this huge property that has a bunch of art installation in it. I'm here with my buddy Jake, and we're going to look at some cool art stuff and stuff. There's some birds maybe too. Witch comes out to relax by listening to all these screaming heads. They didn't put that part in the movie just for timing, but my buddy Jake here got me the behind the scenes of it. This is where the dead hippies go. Each rock represents a hippie.